Was someone drinking something?
Yeah.
I heard that go down your throat.
Told you I have thin neck walls. Why do we look like we don't trust each other? Whoa.
What?
What?
The level up sound.
No,
Oh,
help,
oh,
help
it's
me,
always
help me,
summer.
help me. It is always me. Help.
Whoa!
Oh no, what the? There's someone up here.
Oh, he killed himself!
Someone's coming towards me and I'm scared. Ah! Oh, save me, brother. Oh, someone's doing it. I love this gun. Oh!
That did what, Evan?
That saved
Thank you
me.
guys.
What are you doing, Summer? What is that?
Everyone to do something. You're gonna go get her card?
No.
Oh.
I was looking for help.
Ooh, I see I was brought back while I was in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Well, I'm about to die again. I missed
Oh!
it.
That was a water.
Here, we can revive her. Oops,
Let's
and
go.
then take this.
Cool, I could heal while swimming.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Ah! You think those people are real?
No,
Oh.
they would have been more extreme. Oh, do you want that, Silver?
I need a gun.
Oh.
Preferably anything not
Oh
red.
yeah, I forgot. You got
Here,
revived
Summer.
me. I was like,
Summer, it's falling towards you, I think. That. Quit coughing on me. Hey, you're coughing on my face.
on my face!
Oh.
What the? Booger butt.
Ew. Gross, they have boogers on their butt.
Oh yeah.
Whoa! Uh-oh.
Oh, back there.
Oh.
There's a sniper right here. Oh, you got him.
Here, this sniper, it doesn't zoom in like the sniper.
He landed on the tree.
Alright, let's go. Oh yeah, by the way, audience, that last shot that I did to kill them for good, I wasn't looking. I don't know why I closed my eyes, but I got them. That was weird.
You're so adorable, Rebecca.
Lie.
Because what you did right now. For your audience, it was adorable.
Oh snap! There's a little girl back here just sitting
What
here.
the heck?
Well, you saw that?
Yeah.
There's a guy.
That's him. That's him.
What? I thought there was more to it. I thought
Oh,
there
this game
were
is easy.
more people.
Yeah, me too. I'm tired of winning.
Hmm.